Hi, today we're going to be looking at words with the silent letter G. So there are so many different English words that have the silent letter G in them, and we're going to be looking at a couple of them right away. Are you ready? Okay, so you can find the silent letter G in words that have the G come right before the letter N. You can find them in words like Nash, Nash, Nal, Nal, Gnome, not G. So you can see there's a G there, but it's silent. Gnome, assign, assign, align, align. The assignment does not align with what was taught in class. So you say align, rain, rain, foreign, foreign, champagne, champagne, not champagne, champagne. The silent letter G can also be found in words that have the letter G come before the letter H. Words like high. You can see we have a G there, but it's silent. We say high, light, bright, through, through, night, night, fight, fight. So can you see these examples have the G come right before the letter H, but the G is silent. So these are some simple rules that you can use as a guide to identify words with the silent letter G. But bear in mind that this rule doesn't apply to all the words in the English language, okay? So you can learn these words, practice them, practice saying them correctly so that whenever you're reading or when you're speaking, you want to ensure that you're pronouncing your words correctly. Okay, so I have some couple of other videos on words with the silent letter T, the silent letter H, so you can check them in the description. You want to go watch them, learn the correct pronunciations of these words, and remember, I said practice, practice. Watch the video over and over again. Practice as you learn. As I pronounce, you pronounce after me, so that these words can stick, the correct pronunciations can actually stick in your muscle memory. All right, so thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, click the subscribe button, and also share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye.